Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Annu Cute World. In this video, we can discuss about the amazing health benefits of dates. Dates are the fruit of the date palm tree, which is grown in many tropical regions of the world. Dates have become quite popular in recent years. Almost all dates sold in Western countries are dried. Depending on the variety, fresh dates are firmly small in size and range in color from bright red to bright yellow. Dates are chewy with sweet flavor. They are also high in some important nutrients and have a variety of advantages and uses. Dates have an excellent nutrition profile. Since they are dried, their calorie content is higher than most fresh fruit. The calorie content of dates is similar to that of other dry fruits such as raisins and figs. Most of the calories in dates comes from carbs. The rest are from very small amount of protein. Despite their calories, dates contain some important vitamins and minerals in addition to a significant amount of fiber. Getting enough fiber is important for your overall health. With almost 7 grams of fiber in a 3.5 ounce serving. Including dates in your diet is a great way to increase your fiber intake. Dates provide various antioxidants that have a number of health benefits to offer, including a reduced risk of several diseases. Antioxidants protect your cells from free radicals, which are unstable molecules that may cause harmful reactions in your body and lead to disease. Compared to similar types of fruit such as figs and dried plums, dates appear to have a highest antioxidant content. Dates may promote brain health. Eating dates may help to improve your brain function. The potential brain boosting properties of dates have been attributed to their content of antioxidant knowing to reduce inflammation, including flavonoids. Dates may promote natural labor. Dates have been studied for their potential to promote and ease late-term labor in pregnant women. Eating these fruits throughout the last few weeks of pregnancy may promote cervical dilation and lower the needs of induced labor. They may also be helpful in reducing labor time. Additionally, dates contain tannins, which are compounds that have been shown to help facilitate contractions. They are also a good source of natural sugar and calories, which are necessary to maintain energy levels during labor. Dates contain several minerals including phosphorus, potassium, calcium and magnesium. All of these have been studied for their potential to prevent bone-related conditions like osteoporosis. Dates are a very healthy fruit to include in your diet. They are high in several nutrients, fiber and antioxidants, all of which may provide health benefits ranging from improved digestion to a reduced risk of disease. Hope you all got some basic information about the health benefits of dates from my video. If you feel it was informative, please like my video, comment your valuable opinions and share it with your friends and family. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Annu Cute World for more informational and interesting videos. Thank you all. Have a great day.